Hello everyone, so today we're going to teach you on how to compute the standard deviation using the longhand method and with the use of a scientific calculator. So for now, I'm going to teach you how to compute the standard deviation using the longhand method. Let's have, for example, the values of x such as 2, 4, 5, and 9. So we need to get the sum of x. The sum of x is equal to, this is 20, right? So our n, or number of samples, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. So we'll get the mean. Mean equals summation of x over n. This is equal to 20 over 4. So this is equal to 5. What we're going to do next is to subtract 5 from its value of the x. So we will have a column here of x minus mean. Okay. Then we are going to square this one. So x minus mean squared. So first, 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 equals 3, or negative 3. Negative 3 times itself, that is equal to 9, right? So 4 minus 5, that is equal to minus 1, times itself is equal to 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then 9 minus 5, that is 4, and 4 times 4, that is 16. Now we are going to sum this up. Summation of x minus mean squared, this is equal to 26. Okay. So what we are going to do now is to use these values to solve the standard deviation. Okay. So the formula for standard deviation is S, this is for sample standard deviation, equals the square root of summation of x minus mean squared divided by n minus 1. Square root. The value of this is equal to 26, so 26. Our n is 4, then minus 1, that is equal, so 4 minus 1. Okay. So equals square root of 26 divided by 3, so 8.67. We'll extract the square root. This is equal to 2.9439. Right, so 2.9439. Now we're going to show you on how to do this using your calculator. So what we're going to do now is to show you on how to automatically compute the sample standard deviation using the calculator. Okay, so firstly, we are going to clean up. So we will press mode, then 1. Okay, then press mode again, then we will select 2. So we could enter statistical data. Press 2. Then our values are 2, 4, 9, and 5. So we are going to enter that. 2 m plus 4 m plus 5 m plus and 9 m plus. Okay, so that's correct. We were able to get an n of 4. We will check as to whether our sum of x is 20. Press shift, then 1. Sum of x, we will press 2 equals, so we were able to get 20, similar to this value here. Then next we will check whether our mean is 5. Shift 2, then we will select 1 equals, so we were able to get the correct answer, which is also 5. Now the sample standard deviation which we computed is equal to 2.943. So to get the sample standard deviation, we'll press shift, then press 2, and we will select this one. This is the symbol for sample standard deviation. Then we will press 3, then press equals. So here we're able to obtain the same number, like 2.9439. So we were also able to obtain the same number using the longhand method. So if you know how to use your scientific calculator, you could easily reduce the time spent in computation. But again, you should be very careful in using your calculator. You should always clean up your calculator by pressing mode and 1, and you could remove all those previous entries, and once you solve another problem, the data which you enter will not add up to the previous data on the calculator. So that's all for now. I hope you learned something today.